Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to I Like Spanish. This is Mario and today I'm gonna teach you the numbers from 0 to 100. Okay, one of the basics ones all the time, besides the alphabet, we need to know the numbers as well. So I'm gonna teach you right now how to count from 0 to 100. Let's start. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now, from 20 to 30, all the time is the same, 21, 22, 23, like the first 10 numbers. Okay, so then after the 20, it will be 30 in Spanish, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay, there you go guys. You have the numbers from 0 to 100. If you have enjoyed this video, please give me a like, share with your friends, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you on the next video.